Welcome back. This is Andrew with the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. On this channel, we go through some of the best apartments in Medellin, Colombia, and this is one of the best ones as a rental in Laureles, in the heart of Medellin. As we open the door, we notice that there's a big open concept. This is one of the living rooms. You've got a little office area here on the right, and this is very important because this is a rental currently. She rents it out to digital nomads, people from other countries coming to Colombia to learn Spanish, to live long term. It's on a fourth floor with no elevator. That's the caveat, but the price is good and it already makes money for her. And obviously those financials can be supported if you are interested in this one. So as we walk through, this is the second living room and you've got the kitchen over there. We'll walk through the kitchen here in a minute. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath apartment. It's pretty big. It's 165 square meters, which is over 1,700 square feet. This is the first bathroom here. It's a full bath. And I really like the bohemian style of decor. That's my style as well in my apartments, if you've seen those. But here's one of the bedrooms, very big bedrooms. This is an older building, older apartment. So all of the bedrooms are pretty big. You could easily fit a king-size bed if you wanted to. Notice the desks in each bedroom as well for all of the guests staying there long term, because a lot of them do work or they study out here. So the desk is primordial. No air conditioning. You've got fans in each room. You really don't need a lot of air conditioning in this area. It would be something that, you know, would be a personal preference. This is the bathroom. Look at this. This was actually remodeled and it looks really nice. I love that. The gray tones are very in style right now. They're trending in Medellin. We're going to cruise over to the kitchen here and take a look at that. The kitchen is pretty big. As you can see, you've got the counter space on the left and some on the right. You've got the stove top here on the left, and you've got this little open air patio. So you're like, it's almost kind of like a little hacienda with open space in the middle of the house, which is awesome. I love that. This is the laundry area here. You could easily fit a stackable washer dryer or put them side by side. You've got a lot of room. We're going to head over here. You've got this little bar area where you can have breakfast or a quick lunch. And then here are some more of the rooms. This is another room here. A lot of space. You've got the desk there. And this one has its own in-suite bathroom. Again, the bathroom was remodeled, and I think they did a great job. I love the high ceilings on this one since it is a 4th floor. It is the top floor. It has the high ceilings, and this is what you would consider the master bedroom. A little bit bigger. It looks beautiful. I love the design. So this is basically turnkey. This is something that you wouldn't really have to put a ton of money into, unless if you wanted to do some upgrades. But you can turn it around and put it up on Airbnb or live in it and rent out the rooms if you wanted to. You could do 30-day minimum rentals here, meaning that you can't do daily rentals here, but for the type of clientele that this owner currently has, the 30-day rentals work very well because it's for, the digital nomads, the people staying here long term. So now let's take a look at the map and see where this one's located. Okay, we're here at our listing on our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. As we scroll down, we will go to the map over here. And as we scroll out of the map here, you can see that we are located near El Segundo Parque, Primer Parque. Let's take a look at it on Google Maps for more context here. So this is a very strategic location because you've got El Segundo Parque, Primer Parque, the university, Avenida 33, where you have restaurants, cafes, etc. So all of this area is touristy, and you can tell because Google makes it yellow where there's more commerce. That's why the current owner always has this one occupied, because it is in a strategic location. Apart from that, if you know Medellin, Laureles is flat, so you could walk everywhere. You could get a bicycle and bike everywhere, or you could just get one of those, stand-up scooters or electric bikes and pretty much get anywhere within the vicinity. I'll scroll back out a little bit here, and you can see that this is where El Poblado is, all the way over here. So you're far away from the actual touristy areas. You're more in a local neighborhood here. These touristy areas are more touristy to local Colombians that come out here because this is a lower income neighborhood. You've got really good cafes and restaurants, but it's not at the prices of like Provenza, Parque Lleras, Parque del Poblado, even Barrio Manila. So affordability, cost of living is lower. And it's a great area to be. I used to love living in Laureles. That being said, if you're interested in this one, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.